We are watching at um, heliplots. I will put a link down below. You can see different kinds of locations worldwide. And I have been watching this Tiksi in Russia now for a while because it had this kind of signature, as you can see still. But now the signature has changed to that. And I think this is significant. This has to taken into the whole picture what we are trying to draw. So let's hop over to Google Earth and check it out. Where is Tiksi and how it's looking like. So, in order to prove that we are where I say map style, exploration, Tiksi. And we are really north. And this is where our magnetic north pole is coming from. At the moment it's in the Laptev Sea, close to the Laptev Seamount. And here we have Tiksi. And is the northernmost inhabited region with more than 5,000 people. Observatory. Yeah, here you can see in the background there's some stuff on the hill, probably. But there's that road. Road going there. So I was checking out this place a bit. We have some oil stuff or gas or whatever in the airport. And then the road continues. And if you go to watch the landscape there, you can already see it here. This is not pixels. Now we turn to the left. The similar pattern repeats. These are not pixels. Then we go to the very peak of the whole structure and we find a village. No pictures there. But check this out. I haven't seen a shoreline like that. Now you understand what I tried to tell you, that these are not pixels, these are stones, rock boulders from somewhat similar size. Wherever you watch, they're everywhere. The whole shore, the whole land mass are these kind of boulders. And now I try to show you a square landscape with squares, natural squares. What? Check this out. There's no one there. No one doing anything there. That's nature. Square craters, grid structure. I bet this is some really special place, you know. There is a reason why they are there, those boulders, and it's obviously just continuing. And we could try to measure one of those squares, just take one. At point 16 meters. Hey, they're like everywhere there. And then we have mountains. Here are mountains, and here's this kind of peatland stuff with craters and all funny things. There's a picture from somewhere. Okay, mosquitoes. What? I tell you, there's some metal in these rocks. So now that we have explored a little bit Tiksi, Russia, square-shaped landscapes, I want to show you something else. We had now this didn't expect to see this kind of things. But that's really, really, really interesting. I bet they are created by lightning. And then the surrounding sediment disappeared after a while. Yeah, that's some spectacular landscape. There are like people down there. Check it out. Yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you something else. We had this seismic activity, or we have, it's probably still going on in Tiksi, northern Russia. There is an observatory and metallic rocks. Watch that. Yeah, we are at space weather news. And yeah, actually, here is no CME visible on that spiral. Where is it? Another Schrödinger's cat CME. But I wanted to show you that Tiksi is somewhere here. So there is something going on up in the north, close to the actual place of our magnetic North Pole, which is coming like from there. No, actually, it's more than this side. But anyway, it's close to the magnetic North Pole, and I just happened to notice this coincidence. Tremors, something going on up in the, what is it, ionosphere? No. Proton flux. Is it? Probably. I don't know. And this is probably the Kursk magnetic anomaly. Yeah, I leave it here. Let's see how the CME is impacting Earth. Probably it already starts. Is there anything going on here? Maybe it started already because this is going upwards. KP index is already elevated a bit. Things are pointing upwards. But I guess it could go really quickly when it's here because it's a fast and strong one. Yeah, here you could see what we should actually see here, but we don't. Where is it? So I'll leave it here. Thanks. Bye. Tiksi, Russia. Interesting place.